Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about advantage of conservation in each region. Number one, preserving biodiversity. Through conservation, animal like orangutan in lesser ecosystem can survive.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I want to explain about advantage of conservation in each region. Preserving biodiversity.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to explain to you about the advantage of conservation in each region. Number one, preserving biodiversity. Each region in Indonesia has its own culture, has its own unique flora and fauna. Through conservation, animals like orangutans in each region or ecosystem can survive and avoid extinction. Number two, preventing environmental damage. Conservation helps reduce illegal logging, pollution, and environmental damage such as flood and the other. Number three.
Come on.
Number three, supporting local communities.
Well preserved.
Okay, so a well-preserved environment provides economic benefits through agriculture, fisheries, and ecotourism. Number four, reducing the impact of climate change. Protected forests absorb carbon dioxide and reduce global warming. Number five, providing education and research opportunities. Conservation areas can be used for studying ecosystem, wildlife, and environmental science. And number six, the last, preserving local culture. Many local cultures are closely connected to nature. Conservation helps maintain the harmony between humans and environment. Okay, maybe that's all of me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm going to tell you about the advantages of conservation in each region. There are many advantages of conservation in each region of Indonesia. Because we have a diverse nature, we have to conserve our region. The first advantage is preserving biodiversity. Each region in Indonesia is unique in its own way. Because of the conservation, we can preserve the biodiversity, such as the flora and fauna, such as the orangutan in lesser ecosystem that avoid extinction because of our conservation. The second one is preventing environmental damage. Conservation helps reduce the illegal logging, pollution, and environmental damage such as flooding and landslides. The number three of our advantage is supporting local communities. A well-preserved conservation is able to help local community in economical value, such as through agriculture, fisheries, and of course, ecotourism. The fourth one is reducing the impact of climate change. Protected forests can absorb the carbon dioxide in our system. Yes. Five, providing education and research opportunities. Because of our self-conservation, each of us can learn more about our animal, such as the orangutan, the komodo, or even the Sumatran tiger. The sixth one is preserving local culture. Many local culture in Indonesia are closely connected to nature. Conservation help maintain the harmony between human and the environment. That is all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang ini maju lah.
Baik, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. right here, I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of conservation in each region. But for today, we're going to talk about the advantages. The first one, we got preserving biodiversity. As we know, in each region, just like in Indonesia, has its own unique flora and fauna. Through conservation, animals like orangutans that ran in lizard ecosystem can survive and avoid extinction. Yeah, they're not dying. Second, we can prevent the environmental damage. Conservation helps reduce illegal logging, pollution, and environmental damage that came from humans or nature, such as floods and landslides. The third one, we can support local communities. A well-preserved environment provides economic benefits through agriculture, fisheries, and ecotourism. The fourth one, we got reducing the impact of climate change. Protected forests with good green slimy-ass trees can absorb carbon dioxide and help reduce global warming so we cannot heat to death. The fifth, we can provide education and research opportunities. Conservation areas can be used for studying ecosystems, wildlife, and environmental science. And the last but not least, we got preserving local culture. Many local cultures in Indonesia also closely connected to nature. And through conservation, we can help maintain the harmony between the humans and the environment. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm standing here going to tell you about advantage and conservation in each region. First, preserving biodiversity. Each region in Indonesia has its own unique flora and fauna. Through conservation, animals like orangutan in lizard ecosystem can survive and avoid extinction. And second, preventing environmental damage. Conservation helps reduce illegal logging, pollution, and environmental damage such as floods and landslides. And third, supporting local communities. Well-preserved environmental provides economic benefits through agriculture, fisheries, and ecotourism. And fourth, reducing the impact of climate change. The conservation protected forests absorb carbon dioxide and help reduce global warming. Fifth, providing education and research opportunities. Conservation areas can be used for studying ecosystem, wildlife, and environmental science. And last, preserving local culture. Many local cultures are closely connected by the nature. To nature, conservation helps maintain the harmony between humans and the environment. Maybe this is from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.